Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In previous video we learned about how to create font style. Now in this one we again learn about how to create a font style, but this is going to be annotative font style. So if you don't know about annotative style, or you know what is annotative style is, and you want to learn more and want to learn how to set up annotative text style in AutoCAD, then keep watching this video. So first you have to go to this annotative tab, annotative section, then go to the text style. You can click here for the text style, then this dialog box will be open. So let's start creating new text style. Now I will go to new and I will give small. Let's say I need small fonts. So in this video we will create 3 different text styles: small, medium and large. And I think that is ideal for any type of drawing. 3 different text style will help you to provide annotation in your drawing very efficiently. For example, small fonts can be used for the notes, medium fonts can be used for like general text like dimensions or room names, and the large text can be used for the title, like title of the floor plan or title of any important thing that you wanted to highlight. Okay, so now let's edit this small font style that we created. You can select the text style whatever you like. I will select this Calibri and I will keep it as regular. And in this section, if we want to make annotative, we can choose this annotative text style. Now you see that it's showing the text height right now, but as soon as I will click on this annotative, it will change to the paper text height. So now we have different text height, so this is asking for the text height that we want to have on paper. So I have some standard text height. For example, for small font we will take 3 by 32 inch. This is a very standard table for the different text height and in a different scale. Since we are doing the annotative, we will take this 3 by 32. So 3 by 32 inch, and then match text orientation to layout. I will uncheck this one, and then it says upside down, backwards, and the width factor I will keep it 0, and oblique angle, yeah, I want it on 0 angle, so this is correct. Now let's hit apply. You see this icon is appearing here, this little blue icon. It's showing that this dimension style is annotative. Okay, hit apply, set current and close. Now see this, when you create text style, it will ask that the created you are creating an annotative object, set the annotative scale to the scale which the annotative intend to display. So basically this is asking to set your scale, in which scale you are going to make your drawing. I will show you from where you can change your text style. So go to this annotative scale, go to this annotative scale of your current view, and then you can set it to 1 by 4. Now whatever the drawing you will make, this is set to 1 by 4 scale. Now we have small text style is set as current, so now I will write small. See, this is the text in annotative. This is the small text in 1 by 4 scale. Let's say I want to change my drawing scale. Now I am making another drawing, and that is in 1 by 8 scale. So I will go to, again, I don't need to change anything in the text style. I can just simply select the text and start writing. You will notice the difference. You see this text style is different than this one. because we changed the scale. Now let's say I want to make a text style for 3x32. So I can just simply change scale here and start writing. You will see this text is getting larger as I am increasing the scale. If I decrease it 3x8, then the font style will get smaller. So now we have the small text style setup. Similarly, we will go again to the annotation tab, and again we will go to new, and we will type medium, hit OK. So this is a copy of this small text style. So this is again annotative, Calibri, regular, and in this one we will give paper height of 1/8 inch. So 1/8 inch. I will keep scale 1. I don't want upside down. I don't want text backward, so hit apply. Now one more, so hit new, and I will create large font. Now you will see that this new style has been created, and for the large we have text height of 1/4 inch. So I will hit 1/4 inch, apply in both of them, but this is 1/8 and this is one large scale is 1/4. Set current, close. Okay, so now we have created two different text style, large and medium, so we will test both of them. So now large text style, set current, and then we'll write down again. Let's change the scale to 1/4, and this one is here 1/4. I will say large. See, now you can see the difference in the text height. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, guys. You can see the difference, and yeah, you can control your text height from the scale section as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like button. Thank you so much.